Hello, my name is Gabriela Imre and I'm working at the Live Cell Imaging Facility at Karolinska Institutet. In this short video, I will show you how to clean your cover slips before seeding your cells. The cover slips come in different shapes, round, square, rectangular, different sizes, but also with different thicknesses. The suppliers sell cover slips with a thickness between 160 to 190 micrometers and denoted as number 1.5. You can also find cover slips denoted as number 1.5H and having a thickness of 165 to 175 micrometers. So please pay attention so that you pick cover slips from a box having number 1.5 or number 1.5H written on it. Using the wrong ones may have serious implications for your imaging. Before starting to seed your cells on the cover slip, it's recommended to clean them to remove any trace of impurities, increase cell adhesion, and enhance coating. Prepare a 2.5 molar hydrochloric acid solution in a glass container and put the cover slips in it and leave them in this solution for a couple of hours or overnight. To enhance tissue adhesion on a cover slip, we recommend to use concentrated hydrochloric acid solution and leave the cover slip in the solution overnight. Cover the glass container with paraffin and leave it in the laminar flow hood. Next day, carefully decant the acid, still working under the laminar flow hood. The solution can be reused for another cleaning. Wash the cover slips extensively in distilled water several times till the pH of the water is around 7. Be sure to wash out the acid between stacked cover slips. Store the clean cover slips in water. Wash the cover slips in 70% ethanol and dry them before seeding the cells on them. These last steps should be done under sterile conditions.